Hello friends, I Adhir Tandon, Head Department of Mechanical Engineering at SMS IT Lucknow welcome you all. I feel ecstatic to introduce you to the field of mechanical engineering that has been the medium through which the single most important socio-economic revolution known as the Industrial Revolution had found its expression in the 19th century. The first thing which comes to our mind after seeing the word mechanical engineering is machines. And as the very basic primitive thought is that an engineer is a person who basically deals with machines. In today's world, it is almost impossible to live without using any machine. Simply speaking, mechanical engineering deals with anything that moves, from the tiniest microparticle to the largest aircraft and even the human body, one of the most complex machines. As the name suggests, mechanical engineering deals with designing machines, analyzing and manufacturing mechanical systems. It involves the application of basic principles of engineering, physics for design, analysis, manufacturing, and maintenance of mechanical systems. For a student dreaming to be a mechanical engineer, the student needs to have an understanding of core concepts of mechanics, kinematics, thermodynamics, material science, structural analysis, and electricity. Along with these core concepts, a mechanical engineer uses tools like computer-aided design, etc. to perform his tasks. Aside from the big things mentioned, mechanical engineering also focuses on small things. Nanotechnology interplays with molecular engineering, which primarily aims to produce molecular assemblies. And in these days of COVID crisis, we hear a lot of news in this field. This field of engineering has big dreams that will have big impact on warfare, exploration, and health, but is still on the exploratory stage. Talking about the scope of mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is one of the oldest branches of engineering and has a wide scope ahead. Mechanical engineers work in industries like thermal power plants, gas turbine power plants, oil refining, agriculture, education, aviation, aerospace, and in the field of robotics. Then simulation is one upcoming area in mechanical engineering. Simulation solves problem, saves time and money, improves product and product development processes. Simulation has also proved its importance in the field of biomechanics, medicine, pharmaceutical, aerospace, automobile, energy, consumer goods, and every industry. After doing BTech in mechanical engineer, you can appear for GATE and get into PSUs like BHEL, ONGC, NTPCs, and other Navratan companies of India. You also appear for GATE and do ME, MTech from IITs, NITs, ISCs. You may also appear UPSC exams for IAS, IPS, Indian Engineering Services, Defense Services, etc. If you are good at SolidWorks and AutoCAD, you can design for companies and outsource your services. Well, you can also start your own business. Like other career paths, the entry into this particular branch of engineering also requires you to possess certain basic traits. First and foremost, you must have a penchant for mechanical components and machinery and how these machines work. Then you must be good at physics, chemistry, and mathematics. You must also have skills such as an analytical bent of mind, logical reasoning, and problem solving. SMS IT Lucknow is one such college that has to its credit numerous awards, titles, and accolades for being a top notch technical institute in North India. The Department of Mechanical Engineering at SMS IT Lucknow has evolved a comprehensive student centric learning approach designed to add significant value to learners' understanding in an integrated manner through workshops, lab sessions, assignments, trainings, seminars, projects, and independent study. The hands-on training offered at our CAD training center, CNC and machine shop, etc. bring in a formal method to familiarize the industrial practices which help the student to apply their classroom knowledge to live industrial situations. Mechanical engineering at SMS Lucknow helps getting placed in big companies, and there are a surfeit of other reasons to join SMS Lucknow, and you need to see them. Make up your mind. Until then, all the best, good luck, and cheers.